Hey everybody, I'm Nigel from Alphabet Game Physics, and I'm going to be showing you how to use another Ludlum product today. We're going to be going into the Model 241P. Ludlum offers this accessory for the Model 241 Pocket series instruments. It's just a zip pouch, and it allows you to keep your Ludlum safe. Once your meter is out of the case, you can loosen the screw on the handle and bring that over the meter. And once you tighten the screw, you now have an instrument with a handle that is very easy to carry. For the purpose of this video so you can see the controls, I'm going to bring it back down though. To turn the meter on, flip the first switch into the bat check mode. If it passes the bat OK mark, you can move to normal. Also on the same switch is the ability to turn the audio off. Quiet mode allows for no chirps or beeping. And now that we know how, let's finally use this thing. Here I have a uranium tile. Oh no, we're at a pretty good distance and we've already overloaded it. Now I want to introduce you to the range feature. This switch right here allows you to put the scale on ×1, ×10, and ×100. It's on ×1 right now. So we're reading greater than 500 counts per minute. If we put it on ×10, and we're reading this, then that means we are reading greater than 5,000 counts per minute. If we put it on ×100, we're reading around 450,000 counts per minute. And if we want to make the meter click, we'll put it into the normal mode. What happens if you need to calibrate your meter? Well, if you do, there's actually a little cowl cover. Remove the two screws and you'll be able to slide off the cowl cover. And there'll be these potentiometers, one for ×1, ×10, and ×100. You can adjust these as necessary. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share this video with anyone who you think might like it, and also leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. I'll be extremely happy to answer you. Thanks for watching.